We are in the cold season where I live, and so I present to you my simple yet delicious and mouth smacking chicken pepper soup recipe. Delicious. The full list of ingredients will be listed in the description box. Here we have dry shallot, black pepper, country onions, anise seed, seasoning cubes, red onions, red and yellow Scotch bonnet peppers, and also scent leaves, uyaya and garlic cloves. I used soft chicken for this recipe. The health benefits of these spices will be listed in the description box, and also I would advise you use your blender to blend this because I find it a little bit difficult while blending it using my mortar. Kindly like this video, please always like my videos, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and share these amazing recipes with your families and friends. Thank you. I didn't have so much time to make this pepper soup, so I could not marinate my chicken for a long time in the spices, so I left the spices and the chicken cook together for a while before adding water. This is a way to also improve the taste of your proteins, especially when you will not be marinating them for long. If you also notice that I did not remove the head of the Scotch bonnet peppers, and that's because at this particular time I only want the flavors from the peppers and not the heat. This particular chicken pepper soup recipe is very good for the cold weathers, and that's because the herbs and spices in this particular recipe helps wall off cold, catarrh, and you know when you take hot food, it helps to regulate the body temperature and also a whole lot. I will also be using scent leaves, not mint leaves, to also heighten the taste of this amazing recipe. I used soft chicken, which doesn't take a lot of time to cook, and at this time my chicken is properly cooked and I'm taking out the whole onions, garlic and uyaya. I did not blend my garlic at the initial process because I'm using some dried shallots and I do not want this pepper soup to be so oniony. If there's anything like that, that's the reason why I did not blend onions. So let me know, in your local dialect, what do you call uyaya? Special appreciation and shout out to everyone who share my videos, who watch my videos, who like my videos, and who have been pushing this channel to the next level. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give my video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, share these amazing recipes with your family and friends. Keep doing good and I will see you in my other videos. Bye.